Standard 3rd SST Chapter number 18 Communication. Continue from filling the blanks. After writing the letter, we put it in stamp envelope. If you don't know, if you are not able to read this stamp envelope spelling, then I am showing you here stamped envelope. Here they have written we write letter and put them in a stamp envelope. Okay, so here stamp envelope I have written. So now continue from telephone services. A telephone is the fastest mean of communication. Telephone is the fastest mean of communication. We can do any work within a few minutes or seconds. If you want to talk with someone, then also if you dial the number and you can able to talk very easily. You can call up a friend living in the same city, means we are able to call the person who is living in the same city in some other city, either in the other city or even in some other country. If a person is living in same city, other city or out of state or country, then we are using a mobile phone. Mobile phone have made communication very easy and fast. With the help of mobile, we can able to communicate very easily and very fast. With a mobile or cellular phone in your pocket, we are able to put that in our pocket also, and you can call up even when you are traveling. Means we are keeping this instrument, we are able to put it in our pocket also, and even while we are traveling anywhere else, at that time also we can able to call anyone. We can even send messages through a service called short message services. With the help of this mobile phone, we can able to send message to the person to whom we have to send, and SMS is the short form of short message service. Okay, so remember this short message service. A fax machine is connected to a telephone line. It is used to send written messages, documents and photographs to someone instantly. Means this fax machine, what is the use of this fax machine? A fax machine is connected to the telephone line, means it is connected to the telephone line and it is used to send written messages. If you want to send any written messages, then we are using this fax machine. If you want to send some documents to the person, then we can able to use this fax machine and we are able to send document and photographs to someone instantly. Instantly means immediately we can able to send this, okay, to the other person who is staying far away or in the same far city or in the abroad even. But we need a fax machine, means two person need a fax machine. If we have fax machine and the person who is to whom we have to send that message, they also need same fax machine. Okay, now multiple choice question is there. What is the full form of SMS? As I told you, short message service. So answer is short message service. D is already written here, so we will tick mark on D. Now satellites. Satellites are electronic devices that are sent into space. Where they are sending? Satellites we are sending in the satellite and electronic devices sending in the space, into the space. They collect information. Satellites helps to collect what the satellites are doing? It's collect the information. Satellites have made communication faster and easier. With the help of satellite, our communication is very faster and easier. Satellites helps you to catch cable television channel from all over the world. All over the world. So with the help of this satellite, we can getting messages very instantly, very fast. Satellite pick up signals from one place and send them to different parts of the world. Example I am giving that if something happen in USA or any other country, then immediately within a few seconds we are getting message here in our country. So how it possible? It possible with the help of satellite. Satellites pick up the signal and sending this type of messages from one place to another within a few time or minutes. Computer have become the easiest mean of communication. With the help of computer, we can able to do any communication anywhere in the world. The internet and electronic mail work mainly through a computer. How it works? With the help of internet and electronic mails, we are working mainly through a computer. We are using computer for that. The modem pick up signal from the internet services to make the email work. If you want to do any email, then what we need? We need a modem. Modem is why we are using modem. Modem pick up signals from the internet services to make our email work. Without modem, we are not able to use internet. Internet can be connected through telephone. If you want to use internet, then what you need? Telephone line, satellite and special cable. We need telephone lines, satellites or special cable we need, then only we can use internet. Internet give you access to news, weather forecast and information on almost all topic. Means if you have internet, then you can find any question of whatever it is in your mind, or if you want to know, then with the help of internet you can able to see. Means they have given a news, weather forecast and information on almost all topics. We can also send videos, pictures, letters and books from one computer to another. If you want to send any videos, picture, letter, right now what I am doing, I am making video. So with the help of internet, I am able to make video. I am taking some pictures and I am taking picture from here. You can see that video I am taking. So how it possible? With the help of internet only. With the help of internet only, I am able to send this video to you. Okay, so we need a internet services. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Internet can be connected through telephone, special cables and telephone line. Telephone line it is there. Special, see here answer it is there that internet can be connected through telephone line, satellite and special cables. So what remain? Telephone came, special cables came. So what remain? Satellites. So here we have to write SATELLITES, satellites.